In this video, I will show you how to install ES5 Explorer to your Android TV. This is very helpful. I can subscribe to YouTube channel after watching. So you want to install the ES5 Explorer to your Android TV, what you can do is you use this application or intermediary I called Downloader. It's a very helpful application. If you have it on your Android TV, check the description video. There is a link there that is going to help you install the Downloader application to your Android TV. So after you install Downloader, all you have to do is come over to this dashboard here. This is how it looks like. And in the search box, you're going to search for ES5 Explorer or also ES5 Manager. So as you click on that, you're going to click on Go, and Downloader is going to show you where you can download or install the ES5 Explorer to your Android TV from across the internet. That's how Downloader works. So you can just choose any of these, any one that is comfortable for you here. So you can scroll through down to see anyone that you want. And if you can come here, you can use this option, ES5 Explorer. So you can use the option by just clicking there, and then once you click on it, it's going to show you where you can install it to your Android TV. This is very easy. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this.